Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize DBT cloud credentials for BigQuery profiles.yml easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your terminal or command line interface. Ensure that you have DBT cloud installed on your system. Navigate to your project directory where your DBT project is located. Locate the profiles.yml file in the If the profiles.yml file does not exist, create it using a text editor. Open the profiles.yml file for editing. Add a new profile for your BigQuery credentials. Start by defining the profile name. Under the profile name, include the type as BigQuery. Specify the project ID for your BigQuery account. Next, include the dataset ID where your DBT models will be stored. Set the key file path to the location of your Google Service account key file. Ensure that this key file has the necessary permissions to access BigQuery. Add any additional configurations such as threads or timeout settings as needed. Save your changes to the profiles.yml file. Next, return to your terminal. Run the dbt debug command to verify your connection. Check the output for any error messages related to authentication. If no errors are present, you have successfully authorized your DBT cloud credentials. You are now ready to run DBT commands against your BigQuery project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.